Hello friend, and once again Maverick right here. Today we're going to be discussing about the Ryan Pierpont Trading Strategy and also discussing about this Hidden Breakouts course. And several of my audiences have been asking me, Maverick, why don't you talk about this program? As you know that I like to talk about everything concerning, the making money online courses and, softwares and tools on the internet. My name is Maverick. And before I get started, I want to give a brief disclaimer. My reviews are majorly for beginners, so in case you're an expert or an intermediate, then you might not really get a lot of value here, or you can also get value, but I need you to know that it's for beginners who don't know anything, nada about, the online make money, all right? So I have to tell you that before a whole lot of you go straight to my comment section, and I have to, keep deleting some comments, all right? All right, so now the first thing now is that this is a program that promises to teach you how to get into the stock market and trade successfully. Now, you can see right here, we have the, Ryan Pierpoint's Hidden Breakouts course. Build confidence, eliminate hesitation and self-doubt with a proven trading method. So you can see right there, learn Ryan methods and blah blah blah. It's 20 hours of video training. I'm certain that you might have seen this already, or if you only saw it on a social media page and you're like, okay, what is going on? You can see right there, identify hidden breakout. So this is just you learning more about the stock market, and there's some positive reviews down there. They don't always show us the negative reviews, it's always about the positive. Okay, and right here we have a little bit of a video training right here. I'm not gonna play that, but it's just to put you through some stuff. Now let's show Ryan. You can see Ryan here. You can see he's a back-to-back top 3 finishes in the United States investing championship 2020 to 2021, and over 1,551 percentage compounded return. So right there is stuff about this dude right there, and there's some result. Now this course is priced roughly $1,600. It's 15599, but it's roughly $1,600. It's been said it's at $1,800, but the current price is at $1,600. However, that is just a marketing strategy, okay, just to get you to buy. All right, okay, so it's, you can see lifetime access, and right here is Ryan's Twitter, okay, or his X account. You can see he said he's excited to launch these breakthrough, and this guy has several followers, close like 36,000 followers right there, which is kind of cool. All right, I'm gonna be discussing about the stock market, and I'm gonna be discussing about the program and Ryan himself, right? So now I've done some research, okay, about Ryan, and for real, this guy is the real deal, okay? He knows the stock market very well. He's good in it, okay? He got some reward from doing stock trading, all right? And he's good in stock market for real. That is the first thing you have to know. The thing I noticed about this course is that it already has several people that are selling it for a lesser price. Just surfing the internet, you can see Ryan Pierpont Eden Breakout cost $19, which these are bad. I think Ryan should check this out. Maybe some of his representative who who are watching this video, if you can reach out to them and let them know about all this kind of stuff. Okay, this is really bad because someone who has done much effort to create a course, and people are selling it at this price. Also, as it's also bad, it's also an opportunity for beginners, okay, who probably do not have much. If you can take advantage of this, also you can see this is $10 and all that, before everything gets scrapped from the internet. All right, you can see load cost. This one you can see $59, and this course is being priced at roughly $1,600 by Ryan, but you can see them selling it for $10, $9 and all that. So I think this is kind of bad. If you go to Google, and this course is being sold at a very, very lesser price. Okay, this is bad business for Ryan though, all right, but it can be an opportunity for you. However, I wouldn't suggest you go ahead and invest in buying at a cheaper price like this, because what I've got to experience in the internet marketing journey is that it's always okay that you go meet somebody like the person who is good in it and learn under this person. Okay, you can enroll and also learn, like you can be under the person, you can work for that person, do anything just to make sure that you get first class access to them, like one-on-one access to them, and ask them questions, okay, because any industry you're going into is not going to be that easy. Okay, it's going to take time, and you need to learn more. Okay, there are some things that you won't learn just from the course. Okay, you won't learn from the training, you won't learn from the program. It is by you actually applying what they are doing. Okay, so it's always okay that you learn directly from them. So that is why I can't guarantee that if you enroll for all this crappy once a year whereby they're reselling it, you're gonna get results with it. Okay, so however, this is bad. Okay, this is bad. This is not a good one whereby these guys are reselling, but everyone is just trying to also on the internet. Okay, and also stock market and trading is kind of risky, so I would suggest that if you're going into the stock market, maybe you decide to just enroll on any of these cheaper ones, or you enroll with Ryan himself through his platform. Okay, I would suggest you do not use all your life savings. Okay, a lot of beginners have done several mistakes, and they've gone bankrupt, okay, just because they're going ahead to invest all their money into stock trading, okay, or forex trading or crypto trading. Don't go ahead and invest all your money into it, all right? Because all this market, they take time. It is your own loss that makes another person's gain, okay? It is another person's loss that make your gain. That is how it works, okay? So if you profit in the market, just know that other people are making a whole lot of loss, okay? Why? If you're making a whole lot of loss, just know that a lot of people are making a lot of gain, okay? So you have to be able to break even. In case you have, maybe for example, you only have $5,000 in your account, you can get started with just $1,000, okay, or $500 to just get started and learn how the market works. Or you can get started with $1,000, but don't use all your $5,000 or $4,000 to go straight into the market as a beginner, okay? It is very, very risky. A lot of people out there will not tell you this, but I have to tell you that, okay? So you have to be careful. I do crypto trading, but even people who possibly want to just learn under me or whatever, I always let them know that don't use all your investments, okay? Even I don't use all my money to trade crypto, okay? I already have a certain capital for crypto. Okay, this is what I want to use to trade my crypto, right? When I was a beginner, I never used all my money, okay? Although we have several ups and downs, but this trading marketplace, you just have to be very, very careful because it's very risky. And what you have to know is that your own loss is other people's gain, and other people's gain is your own loss. So that is how it works. So being careful is very, very important in the stock market. Now that's all I have for you, friend. And in case you're wondering, Maverick, can I go for these? Well, you can give it because Ryan, as you can see, he knows what he's doing, okay? But just be careful. Possibly if you can reach out to his team and don't just pay everything at once, okay? Don't just pay the $1,500 or $600 at once. You can decide to first pay $500 and reach out and tell them, okay, this is the amount you have. And if you can see that you're making progress with your investment, then you can decide to add more fund. But if you're not, then you can pull out, all right? So it's just as simple as that. Because for beginners, a lot of beginners will just go ahead. If they're calling it in $5,000, they just invest all the $5,000 and they start complaining. And I get a whole lot of people come to me, Maverick, I'm not getting results. I'm just tired. You are the product, so you have to be very careful, all right? So a lot of courses out there are making beginners the product, okay? So whereby they are making money from you buying. Why there are some courses out there that are the real deal, even though they are making money, they also help you to make money, all right? So it's as simple as that, all right? Not every course are crap. There's some that are really, really interested in you making money, all right? So, and Ryan here knows what he's doing, and moreover, most of the stock courses out there are kind of very high ticket than this. Rather than it being this $1,600, you see a whole lot like $5,000, $10,000 like that. But this one, I think, is still a little bit lesser, right? So that is what I have for you in this review, okay, from my research and also from me giving you my honest thoughts, okay, about this program. You can go ahead, give it a try, okay, but don't use all your money. You can start $500 and just pay, okay, to learn. Reach out to the team or his team, and from there you can get started, all right? And in case you're the kind of beginner that you are not necessarily interested in the stock market, okay, you just want to make money. Maybe you just stumble on Ryan's page or whatever, and you want to make money, or maybe you stumble on this video anyhow it is, okay, maybe you just want to make money online. You're not necessarily interested in stock market, then you can try out my own type of business, which is called affiliate marketing, okay? Yeah, it's kind of business that you do not need capital to get started. You can get started with zero capital, all right? That is the beauty of affiliate marketing. So if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, it's a kind of business whereby you will sell other people's product, okay? Once you sell other people's product, you get 50% commission or even more than that. That is how we make a whole lot of money online, all right? And these products are digital products. If you want to learn more about how you can sell people's product, how you can get traffic, build audience to also make money online and sell your home product in the future and do a lot of money, and learn marketing, okay? Because marketing is very important. You need to learn how to sell. When you learn how to sell, it will be easy for you to make money. That is it, okay? Look at every wealthy people on the internet today. They learned how to sell, okay? When you learn how to sell, it's easy for you to make money. But if you do not know how to sell, then you're gonna struggle a whole lot. If you want to learn how to sell, then click the link in the video description or check the screen. You're gonna see a link there. It's gonna take you straight to how you can get started by doing affiliate marketing and learning how to sell. So it's training of my mentor. I don't have any course. It's a training of my mentor, which I also use to learn how to sell. So go ahead, learn how to sell today, and I'm gonna see you right there at the top. Peace and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.